Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
मनोहर पर्रीकराचो बापूय हे बँकेचो एक फाउंडर मेंबर आशिल्लो म्हणून सांगूंक अंशुमन जोशी विसरलो ना.
I think it's a very good bank. It was eventually, founded by the father of Mr. Parikar, at some point of time. So it has a vision.
फुडें पब्लीक ऑफरिंगा वरवीं स्टॉक मार्केटानूय वचपाचो धनवर्षा ग्रुपाचो प्लान.
While going through some of your articles, I've read that you are also trying to revive the Mapusa Urban Cooperative Bank. So,
Well, that
what
is
will be the
correct.
procedure?
That is correct. We've just given a proposal to the finance ministry in reference to and proposed investment of 200 crores, which would be coming into Mapusa Urban Cooperative Bank, subject to approval of the finance ministry. Once we receive that, we should be investing 200 crores in the bank, eventually with the objective of eventually reviving the bank.
Yes.
And I think it had 24 branches, which was amazing for the bank. And I think if you look at a state like Goa, it also has the area of operation permission from the multi-state registrar, the central registrar, under the Multi-State Cooperative Societies Act 2002, that it can basically operate out of many other states except Goa as well. So I think it'll be amazing for for this bank to revive, because this can go nationwide. As per the High Power Committee of RBI, there is a policy which allows cooperative banks to convert into a small finance bank. So if capital is infused in this bank and the cancellation of the license is stayed by the Honorable Finance Ministry, then I think we would be able to go ahead and convert this into a small finance bank, which will be a joint stock company. And simultaneously, we can also go for public issue in the near future. So I think the bank would do really nice, and I think it has a phenomenal history. And I think looking at the bank, I think almost every Goan is almost very much aware of the bank. So it has its own, its own name,
Identity.
its own identity, and not just that. The best thing about the bank is going to be, I think it's a perfect bank for making it a small finance bank. Also a commercial bank. It's a scheduled.
ब्युरो वांगडा प्रुडंटा खातीर लौकीक शिलकार.